So you might be in a situation where for some reason this little add to story option on Instagram just isn't showing up. So as you can see, I have this little option down here that says add to story. You might be in a situation where this is actually missing. Now, number one, if you're posting from a private account or if you're trying to share a photo from a private account, you might not be able to go ahead and add that specific thing to your story. So keep that in mind. If you're trying to post it onto your account from another person's account or whatever, and that person's account is private, you may not be able to add to your story. So keep that in mind. Number two, even if it is a private or even if it is a public account, that might not mean that that user has given the capability of basically allowing you to go and share out those particular photos to your story. For example, if I come right over here, if I do the same thing, click on share, you can see I have add to story right there. But if I go through all their posts, I might not be able to share it onto my story every single one. Sometimes they can turn it off per post, and that could also be another big thing to kind of keep in mind there too. Again, not the biggest deal in the world, but that is just another example. Also, sometimes if it is a private account, those people will have to go ahead and tag you. So make sure they go through and tag you into that story, and that could be another example of what they can do as well. If it's still not working, you can try updating your Instagram application. So come right into your app store like this, click on the search bar, and go ahead and type in Instagram, just like so. And what you can do is just basically try updating your Instagram application, and that could be another thing you can try doing as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go ahead and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.